What I want to talk to you guys about right now is school. Now, what is school? School is basically a place we all go to get an education. Basically, that's the place we go to get an education. And even though school is a place we go to and it has very informative information we need to learn to get an proper education. The main problem with school today is a simple problem with school is that it's boring. And the problem with boredom or whatever is that when something is boring, you pay less attention to it and you can't focus as properly as you can, whatever. And my idea for school of the future is to make school interesting. Is to make it interesting, like I was saying. A day where you actually go to school and you actually enjoy going to school and you learn interesting information. Because when you really look at things, school is a very fascinating place. All the amazing things humanity has done, from flying in the sky, video games, computers, sending people to the moon, has all been done with a school education. So it's a very fascinating place to go to, but people don't find it because the work there is boring. And my idea for the future is we can come up with a way to make school interesting. And what we would do, and why we need to make school interesting, is because when people are interested in something, they naturally pay more attention than if they're not interested in something. It's just like, I'm going to give you an example. Let's just say there's two TV shows you watch. One where you're not interested in it, and one you're interested in it. Which one are you going to pay more attention to? The one you're bored of or the one you're interested in? You're obviously going to pay more attention to the one you're interested in. So when people are interested in something, they naturally pay more attention. Not only that, do they pay more attention when they're interested in something, they're able to do it for longer periods of time and not get tired of it. And when you're able to do something for longer periods of time and not get tired of it, you're able, like I was saying, you're able to do it, you're able to learn more in the process if you're able to do it for a long period of time. So the future of school or whatever is, what I want to do for the future of school is we can come up with a computer or a cinema or whatever, it doesn't really matter, that you would go to and you would go in front of it and it release a chemical reaction in your brain, making you interested in the subject you're doing. No matter how boring in reality it actually is, you would actually become interested in it. So in the process you learn more and you pay more attention. Because the problem with school today is that it's boring. And because of the boredom of the schoolwork, people aren't paying attention and people aren't learning. So I think that's what the future of schoolwork is going to be. And I'm 100% sure if we can do that, the rates of schoolwork is probably going to be, the people are going to probably get higher marks because they actually pay attention and are actually interested. And that's all I have to say.